Hello everyone! In this video we are going to use coffee to create two styles of textured paper using salt and rice grains. First, mix instant coffee powder with warm water to prepare the solution. You can adjust the intensity by changing the amount of coffee powder depending on the look you want for the paper. Mix the solution and let it sit for few minutes. You may want a light or the dark color for the base, so it's a good idea to test it beforehand. For the first style, I have taped the paper to a hardboard so it won't curl when it gets wet. I am also placing this round sticker on the paper to create a clean circle which I am going to use later. Dab the coffee solution onto the paper until you get the color you like. Once you are happy with it, sprinkle salt over the coffee mixture. I am using pink coarse salt for extra texture. You can use any kind of salt. Let it dry, and then once it's completely dry, gently remove the salt with the light pressure from your fingers. Be careful not to press too hard, as it might tear the paper. Now it's time to remove the tape. If you want tips on how to remove the tape without tearing the paper, click the link in the top left corner. The first style of textured paper is ready, and removing the circle sticker is so satisfying, isn't it? Now it's time for the second style. While applying this coffee solution to the paper, I want to tell you about this amazing product I use for creating artwork and recording videos. This LED desk lamp. I no longer have to worry about whether it's a day or night when recording or teaching live art classes. It has great features like 5 lighting modes, adjustable brightness, and a flexible long arm. It's easy on my eyes and it provides perfect lighting for capturing fine details in my artwork. I really love this product. Now let's get back to the work. After applying the coffee, sprinkle rice grains all over the paper. If you want a darker color, you can dab more coffee solution over the grains using a brush. In that case, you might have some extra liquid on the paper, which you can blot with a tissue. Let it dry completely and then gently remove the rice with the light pressure. The paper base is ready. Remove the tape, and if you want to enhance the texture, feel free to use a thin brush and let your creativity flow. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.